We got another one. Hopefully we can keep this one on the line. She feels decent. She feels decent. Oh, it's a flatty. It's a flatty. It's a flatty. Look at that. He engulfed it, dude. That's what's hitting here, guys. Flounder. Nice. Haven't caught a flounder in a while. Alright. It might be undersized though. Alright guys, so just landed a flounder here. Check it out. Let's see, you gotta be 15. I am not gonna let you go until I secure you, buddy. This is 17, guys. We'll keep them. Fish on. All right, see what we got. Oh, it's a nice trout, nice trout, nice trout. It's a small one. She's a small one. Let me just, there we go. Nice little trout. There we go. Oh, it's a male. It's a male. Fish on, we got us a trouty. We got us a trouty. Might be a small one. Yep. Oh man. Nice, nice, nice. Look at that. I love that plum. That plum color. There you go. Another one bites the dust here. Look at that. Yes, sir. Damn, this lure's on fire, dude. Need them bigger though. These guys are way small. One. We got one on the move. Oh, that one looks decent, man. Yep. That one looks pretty nice. Pretty nice. Might be a keeper. We gotta measure. Another one. Got us another one. Yeah, it was, oh my lord. That's been my problem all day, guys. I can't get them on the boat. Oh man, that's crazy. I just don't know what's wrong. It's one of those days for me, man. I just can't land them. Nice specky. Nice speckled trout. Oh, she spit out my lure, dude. Hold on, I gotta get my lure. It's a lucky lure, dude, lucky lure. Oh, there's another one there. Woo, it's been slow, man. Been hard working here. Trying to catch these things. There's a bunch of dolphins around too, guys, so it's been tough. We got one, we go. It's coming in hot, coming in hot. There you go. Oh man. Bunch of little ones, man. Bunch of juveniles again. Another baby, another baby. Hold on, you're gonna tear my lure. There you go. Damn. Hey guys, this is Robert, RGB Off the Hook, and we are pretty much done, man. It is 11 o'clock and I am super thirsty. I didn't have any water but this one, and luckily my daughter left it in the truck. If not, I wouldn't have drank anything. But man, it was a tough day today, man. It started off bad luck for me, guys. I forgot my ice chest, I forgot my food, water, of course. Then I dropped one of my poles in the water, and I could just not hook the fish today, man. I mean, the fish were biting, but I just could not set the hook or bring them into the boat. I ended up staying with one flounder, but you know, sometimes it's like that, man. Maybe I have the wrong hook on the lure, or maybe they're not sharp enough, but we'll see, man. All right, till next time, RGB off the hook. Keep them lines tight, guys.